Hey everybody, it's Smiley, and it's now time to do the unboxing. Okay, here's March's Geek Box. Now I already have all the flyers because they've started sending these out via email every time they ship them out. So I know what's in all the boxes, but we'll still go over them, and I haven't actually seen the filaments that are and the tools and stuff that are in these. So let's take a look. Let's see. Okay, what do we got here? We have a tiny little bottle of glass build plate wizard, which looks like it all leaked out. And since this is March's, it's a little late to try and say, hey, it's leaked out and the paper's all worn out. But I don't use this. I use blue tape just because I'm lazy and I'm getting ready to switch one of my printers to a Bowden setup. Then I'll use the glass plate that I have on it. But it's not a huge deal. We have a Geek Box egg sticker. Well, yeah, this was March, so it would have been just before Easter. And actually, let me see, what was the filament for this month? We've got Raptor Series PLA in pearl white, which looks pretty nice. And a Raptor Series PLA in HD Vivid Teal, which that actually looks pretty cool. And being in Jacksonville, this is pretty close to the Jaguars teal color. So I might be able to do some Jaguar stuff with that. They are still not in the Ziploc bags, although there is a tiny desiccant bag in there this time. But I'm not too worried about it. I haven't had any real issues with moisture and my PLA. So let's see, what was... Oh, there it is. Okay, so they're saying this is Right as Rain teal, but it's HD Vivid Teal. And they say this is pearlescent white. Well, okay, pearl white. So I guess this is a pearlescent filament that should have little sparkles or something in it. Yeah, it says this was supposed to be 10 milliliters, which that's not 10 milliliters. That's hardly anything. The Geek Box sticker, and this month's project was a tumbler safe, which looks like that. It's got cryptexes and you can put stuff in it. I did not print this one. At the time when I was going to open this box, I obviously had just broken my leg, didn't feel like it. And now I really don't see a point in printing this because it's something that I'm not going to use, and it's so far past that I don't see a point in it. So that's it for this month. I don't remember what February's project was. That the hearts, the gear hearts? I think I showed that to everybody anyway because we got these in advance. So yeah, thanks everybody for watching. If you like the videos, give me a like, give me a subscribe, stay tuned. I have lots more unboxings coming, and I'm going to try and do some more other content rather than just unboxing, particularly when I get my CNC and 3D scanner up and going. So I will see you next time.